Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace the whole exterior door handle assembly. Exterior door handle assembly on Ford Fiesta MK7 guys. If you have a Fiesta from 2007 to 2017 I believe, or 2008 to 2017, and your door handle doesn't work right here, and you need to replace the whole mechanism. Stay with us guys, we'll show you how to do that. Quite a bit of work here, so let's go ahead and start on it now. Okay guys, so what we'll need to do, those are the tools that we'll be using. Panel removal tools, screwdrivers. We really like those because they come with everything we need for those jobs, and we'll have the links for all the parts and tools that we use in the description of the video guys. So we're trying to save you some time. So now we'll need to remove that cap. We need to open that cap, and you can see we pulled it out. It has three teeth, so you have to be careful how you install that one later. We're going to get a Phillips screwdriver, and we will remove that screw now. Almost out. Perfect. Now we have a few more things to do. We will need a Torx 25. This is the star looking bit, and longer screwdriver, like that. Right here there is two more. Let me get some light here. So you see that there is two more screws, and those are different than the one that we already removed. One is out, one more to go. Second one is almost out now. Perfect. Next we need to get a trim removal tool, and right here we need to pry that cap out of here. Let me show you where the clip is on the bottom side. That's where it goes. Then stay with us. Once we remove the door panel, I'm going to show you where all the clips are, so you don't damage your door panel. And if you get usually your fingers underneath, you can pull it, but it might be really tight guys, because it really depends if it's been removed before or not. So we're going to go again. You can see it started popping. Now right here on top we need to be careful. There is usually one more clip I believe. Perfect. Now we need to disconnect the cable. Let me show you how that happens, and I'm going to demonstrate what happened with some of the clips. So this cable now, let me get some light on. This piece right here, you need to push it towards the back. On both sides. And you pull it out. When you're ready to install it, all you have to do, bring the panel close to the thing. Go in an angle like that. The panel is still a little bit short because the cable is short. I'm trying to get the camera in there. And next you will just need to click it like that, and it's stuck. And when you need to remove it, just press the thing, pull it out. Now we have the wires for the switch guys. That's for the window switch. And let's twist it so we can show you how to do that now. So there is one tooth there that you need to push back. I'm going to show you once we pull the cable. Let me show you now. This one, right here, it needs to go back, and then you pull the wires out. Now we have a problem guys. Now we have some clips that actually stayed on the door, so we need to go ahead and remove those. You can see the white clips. That's the head. We need to pull those things out, and install them on the panel, otherwise you will not be able to install the door panel later. One is out, just one more to go. If you need replacement clips, we use some, so we'll share the link. Okay, and this one as well, you can see it's not all the way in, so you need to push it in. And those, you just go from the bigger hole and you just push it. Okay, just like that. Okay, now let me show you where all the clips are. Okay, on the door panel, so you know where to apply pressure. Okay, so this is the front side. Okay, you have 3 right here and you have 4 on this side. Okay guys, so we removed, okay, the window, okay, 1 second, the window switch from the panel. Okay, so we can move the window up and down. Here you have 2 covers that you need to remove. One there that we already peeled off, careful not to break them for that hole, and the one there. From here we are going to access the bolts for the rear window. Okay, this one came off, so you can re-glue them later. Okay, just like that. Now with the ignition on, we're going to bring the window down until we get the bolts. Okay, right there, 1 bolt and another bolt here. So what we'll need to do now, guys, okay, we'll need to get a 10mm. Okay, right here we have with the screwdriver set a 10mm socket, and we're going, okay, just to turn them, okay, 1 or 2 revolutions. Okay, and this one is really tight. Okay, so we'll need to get a ratchet. Okay, so we need to get a ratchet because it's really tight. Get them loose only a couple revolutions, guys. Don't take them off all the way. Okay. Second one as well. Perfect. Next we'll bring the window all the way down. Okay, and you can hold the window with 1 hand. Okay, and gently drop it there. Okay, and careful not to drop it all the way fast to break or anything like that. Next we'll need to pull that seal out of the groove there. Okay, and you need to pull it all the way out. Okay, like that. Here, let me turn the light on. Okay, we have 2 screws with Torx. Okay, so with Torx 20, okay, right here, we're going to remove the 2 screws now. Okay, this one is almost out. Okay, and second one over there now. Okay, perfect. Next we need to remove, okay, that seal right here. After that we need to lift on this side. Okay, that seal is very important how you remove it, because if you bend it, it will be visible later. Okay, so it just needs to go like that. Okay, you can see, okay, there is 1 canal right here that's on top of the plastic to prevent it from going up. Now you're going to slide it up until it comes out. Okay, it's almost there. Okay, perfect. Next you can grab the window with 2 hands, careful not to break it. Okay, and you can, okay, slide it out. It goes only one certain way, guys. Okay, and the whole window, you can see, door window comes out. Okay, just like that. Next, with the Torx 25, okay, right here, we're going to remove the window motor now. Okay, it has 3 screws holding it. Okay, last one now. And you just pull it straight out, don't twist. Okay, like that. We need to disconnect the wire by pressing in on both things and pulling out. Okay, this one is out of the way now. Okay, next with the 10mm socket, we're going to remove all these bolts. Okay, just a few more to go. Okay, I think all we got is just 2 more. Okay, right there. Okay, now you can grab it, guys. It will be glued together. You have to make sure that everything's loose now. Okay, the wires are right there in the way a little bit. And what happens now, we have, I think, we have 3 glides right here. Once we remove it, I'm going to show you what exactly we're talking about. And the whole panel will need to go towards the front, okay, so it can come loose, okay, from the holders. Okay, it got loose. You can a little bit get an idea right here where things are. Okay, now we will need to disconnect that clip right here. Okay, this white one that holds the cable for the interior door handle. Okay, you pull it out. Now it's important, okay, to disconnect that cable right here. Okay, this cable is for the door lock actuator. Once we unhook it, I'm going to show you what to expect, because I cannot get my camera in there. It's very limited room. Okay, and we just got the clip loose. Okay, check it out now. Okay, this thing right here in the middle, okay, you have to press down on it and then you pull it out. When you press down, okay, you can see it unlocks it. Okay, right here. Next, we need to get the panel out, feed the wire through it. Okay, like that. Okay guys, and this is the 3 glides right here that I was talking about, that you need to slide it forward. Remember that whole panel needs to go forward. When you install it, don't forget that you need to line up all 3 of them and push backwards. If you're not sure if they're in, you can sneak a peek from top, or you can remove the speaker and access them with your hand through the speaker and touch to see if they're inside. Okay, we will need to remove that cap right here, and inside there is 1 bolt. Okay, and this one is with the Torx. Okay, again, Torx 15, I think. So it's kind of like fishing. You have to, you can see it with your eyes, but I cannot get the camera in there. Okay, and we're going to keep unscrewing, okay, until that cap right here gets loose. It's still not loose. Okay, it's getting a little bit loose now, but it's still holding. Oh, right there. Check it out now. Okay, we're going to pull it out. Okay, like that. Leave that cap on the side. We don't need it for now. Next, you need to remove, okay, that seal right here, guys. Okay, you need to open the door handle. Okay, and push the seal on top of the door handle, actually, so you don't break it. Okay, and next thing that you need to do, you kind of like need to lift and go this way a little bit too. Okay, this one is a little bit tricky. Okay, you're gonna go up and then this way. It's gonna get loose. And you can pull the door handle out. Okay, just like that. Next, with Torx 20, we're going to get that screw loose. You don't need to remove it all the way. You don't need to be loose because we will need to slide it towards the front. Now, right here we have 3 more. Okay, and those I think are with Torx 30 right here. So we need to go ahead. Okay, get those loose, and we can actually almost get to the final result soon. Okay, and when you install them, you can install some thread locker on those. The Mercedes rebuilding project is there, guys. You have 2 teeth right here, one there. You need to push them in a little bit, careful not to break them, slide it towards the front. Okay guys, and this is the whole assembly right here, door lock actuator and inside door handle. Next, if you grab right here, you can pull it out. Okay, there is two clips here holding. Kind of like need to help it a little bit. You need to squish in and pull it out at the same time. Okay, you can see it like that. One on this side as well. Okay, still holding a little bit. I cannot grab it with two hands because holding the camera here. Ah, it got in again on this side.
That's really good.
Okay, like that. So now you can see, in order to disconnect them, we have to, this is the tricky part right here. These two things, you need to squeeze them in and pull it straight out. And this one, it could take you sometimes, guys, because they're very, very tight. So you need to make sure that you get both teeth in. Okay, and you can see how they clicked out again. Otherwise it's not going to work. Okay, and eventually you just pull it out. Okay, you need to disconnect it right here now, and the two things come apart now. Okay guys, so this is the whole door handle assembly. Right here you can see. That's how you guys remove it. You install everything in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.